guys, I'm gonna cook today salmon balsamic vinegar. So I bought a salmon. Yeah, I got some salmon fillet. There you go. Balsamic vinegar for the sauce with organic honey and some yellow mustard for the sauce. Now I got me 4 slices of salmon fillet. So this is my fish now. I'm gonna put some salt and then put some pepper. And I put some basil. There you go. So I'm gonna just rub it. Rub. Okay, this will help. So rub it to the fish. Rub. There you go. There you go. There. And the skinny. Okay, and then let it like marinate for a few minutes. And then I'm gonna do the balsamic vinegar sauce. Now I'm gonna make the balsamic sauce for my salmon. Okay, let's go. Let's make the sauce. Okay, let's put the there's the balsamic vinegar. And we will put the honey. The honey. Panlaban sa sa asim. At saka sa alat. So we put more. And then we also put the mustard. More. Okay. Now we can there you go. Antayin lang po natin siyang lumapot. So we need to wait it to be so malapot. So ayan po, malapot na siya. A little bit more. Then I can grill my salmon now. So we're good po. Malapot na siya. I can now start doing my fish. So now we can start grilling. Ayan siya. Ilalagay natin. Tapos, yung sauce po ay ilalagay natin yun sa ibabaw. Ang linis. Wow! Kasi wala akong brush. So, ito lang gagawin ko. Ayan po. Ganyan lang siya. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, the salmon is gonna be yummy on my tummy. Now I can put it like this and let it cook. Na po siya. Ayan na po siya. So we're gonna put this here. Ito na siya. Ibang saya. Ang bilis lang. So long to make you feel I can Oh my god, it looks so yummy on my tummy. Oh my God. Can you resist? Look at that. That's all good. You are good, man. So I can live, I can love. I can reach the heavens above. I can right what is wrong. I can sing just any song. I can be a good friend. I can love you until I can eat you later, no worry. You're gonna be on my tummy. Yeah, one by one by one by one. Thank you for watching. Till next time, like and subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.